Yeah, we're bandhleni ngifana kagama lo. Welcome to Mozambique Music, I perform every exam music. Ukucula kwaba, break the number and try and get the message behind the song, give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically post on toxic and content. Guys, nan as clearly so it means something different from what we are normally used to. Yeah, understand. So if believers in Christ had a Thanksgiving in the beginning of the year. Right. So now a few things that kind of like caught my attention was just the preaching, not it's just the preaching. So I can't cover the whole thing. The video is like an hour, yeah, 2.5 hours. Yeah, the videos are like 2 hours max, including the singing and everything. I just want to cover like two aspects, and it's the preaching. Yaga, Pastor Chris, and this other pastor. I forgot his name, bro. They touch on two things which I feel like it's very very important in terms of like your Thanksgiving. It's just not about you receiving, but not just doing more. And then at the end of the video, please do stick around. I will show you a couple of clips, and bruh, it was amazing to see what they were doing. And if this is not the pinnacle of what Thanksgiving should be, then I genuinely don't know what is it. You understand? So, yo, without wasting you guys' time, man, let's dive right into it. Mm-hmm.
It's very important. And let me from the line what reading in Ephesians chapter 1, verse 3 to 12, where the basic wakubeka ukuthi uzoba glorified, uzoba good, uzoba successful before uzalwa. Therefore, lento eyinhlupheko yokuhlupheka kahle kahle uNkulunkulu was not part of his plan. Akadalelanga ke umuntu ngoba bekazi ukuthi mawufika emhlabeni before ufika wena uzoba successful empilweni. Ingaka ukhuluma nge-predestination ukuthi we are predestinated ngamanye amagama.
Like before you continue, like watching this, make sure you read each chapter, the scripture he spoke about, Ephesians 12, I think, bruh, and so that you can understand the context of the whole content, right? Because the things that he's saying and the things he's about to unravel, bro, is insane. Which what I love is the fact that it's also what I always say, bro. You gotta work. Like you've got to. Because the riches are yours. You know?
Sabekelwa i-success before sifika thina emhlabeni. So sizokhuza lo moya ukuthi khale ngenhlupheko njalo. Stop it. Hey ngiyahlupheka. Izohlala inhlupheko because it's not bengadalelwanga wena from the first place. Ungalokhu usikhalela ngenhlupheko uthi wena I will succeed no matter what. Noma kunzima kangakanani kodwa wena uNkulunkulu uzongenza ngidlule la ngoba wena uwaziyo ikusasa lakho. Sizodlulisa lokho nje ngale purpose of the day. The other thing esiyenzayo ke bazana senze lento sihlangana nabaholi bama branch
and before that, he spoke about something. He spoke about how Zion used to be before, all of this and where they used to church. That's why I was like, I can only cover so much. And I encourage you to go and watch the full video. I will definitely leave the link in the description below. Bro, when he spoke about people back then seeing a particular thing and then going like, okay, cool, we know where this person is going, and then they will actually take you there. That alone, I was like, wow. That's why I'm like, I'm encouraging you. Just because I will pick up on my highlights. My highlights is just for you guys to show you as to what is happening. Like, it's too bad.
Name the list, the branches as a valley, the branch I think one la Wi-Fi fana. Sahlangana sabona ukuthi akukho right ukuthi sambe nezaguga zethu zihamba zenza konke kwasebandleni without being recognized. Sabona ukuthi akukho right bazalwane ukuthi siyazi ukuthi bakhipha le abayithola uhulumeni bayilethe futhi esontweni ngokomthetho. If isonto lethu besenza kahle le party offering le tithe kahle senza nje kahle beke besothi abogogo bangakhiphi lutho ngokomthetho kahle besithi abogogo no because it's a pension money, is for them to do their things. Kodwa ibuye ngendlela ukuthi asiyenzi kahle le part ye tight sicele futhi imali bogogo. Yazini ke mzalwane wona ongayenzi tight kahle ku wrong lokho. Ku wrong.
I agree. I ain't gonna say much. I'm not gonna say much, right? But I believe that this center has to be self-sufficient, right? It has to run. It has to run on its own, without having to always take like extra measures and say, I'm not trying to add on whatever Pastor Chris is talking about, but I also do agree with what he's saying. Like, I genuinely do. I genuinely do.
So ngoba isimo asivumi abazalwane abathathi. Yabo. Sizoyilungisa mkhamba isikhathi la bethathi izogcina ilunga abazalwane. Ukuthi i10% it is 10%. Sizoyilungisa kuhamba kwesikhathi. Kodwa sithi ngoba yenzeki asibabonge kabogogo ukuthi bathathe le yabo yokugcina bayilethe phezulu. Mobheka kuma stats esonto 80% of people are paying in time. Yizo izaguga. Abantu abasithi nge-date e5 before e5 konke bazobe bakhokhile. Izaguga ebishayela izandla izaguga. And kubiza ukuthi ke now as abazalwane we need to say thank you to them.
For sure.
Sisibabonga. It's not easy to plan such an event bazalwane. Ama logistics akhona are difficult kakhulu ngoba sithi kubazalwane lethanda lokhu umunye yazibuza ukuthi hayi besiqeda ukhokha isifo kapha sibisifuna lokhu ungayibuzi lo question ngoba le esiyenza la it's not for the church yabo it's exactly for you. The more you give, the more you get blessed. Angeke uyibone ku-balance sheet yesonto lesiyenza la ayikho because iyenzwa uwe ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ke ube blessed. Ayikho ke into emnandi nokublessa ugogo nomkhulu. Ayikho uma
Thanks, man. That is true. That is a vibe. I know I miss my grandmama so much, bro. Like this lady, bro. This lady talking to me, I did like a lot of things, bro. And then I'm like, I asked him to you look at you in this day and age, you touch 10 rand, then you go like, Marako. But when it comes from Coco, it has so much pure intentions, bro. Like a lot. Pastor Chris is gonna get me emotional right now, and I'm not trying to be emotional. This was not the whole purpose for this whole video. The purpose of this whole video was to. So sorry, guys. The purpose of this whole video was to share light on the Thanksgiving as to what is it, But ipat mineng bambe gakulu was the giving, where we are so worried about izinto that we want, that we forget that sometimes we have to give. When you have, give to those that don't have. You understand? It's I don't know how much I can emphasize that. If you have, give to those who don't. Right? There is a song by I love rap a lot. There is a song by Ulul Turk. Ulul Turk Uti, how are you out here having so much money when you know there's a guy on the block who don't have none? I forgot what name of the song is it, but it's part of the album Yake E7 220. I was like, damn. It does not matter which religion you is. All of the religions speak of the same thing. Give, bruh. Give unto those who just don't have. Understand? Sometimes it's other people's shortcoming, but you still gotta give because, hey, bruh, just yo, trust me, just give, bruh.
Ugogo athi ngiyablessa mntanami. Can assure you ukuthi isikhathi sakho sizo extend no matter what. ezinye ukugula kwakho kwenza ukuthi awuthole ama-blessing kubazali bakho.
Facts.
Ubadelelile, ubatshela where to get off. If you ufuna ukuheala, go back to them and ask for forgiveness, then bakublesse, and then uzophila isikhathi eside. Then sahlanganisa-ke singabaholi, sabona ukuthi-ke akube khona ama-items esiwathengayo. Clarify le nto bazali, akusiyona i-donation lesiyenze la. Asenzanga i-donation, azange sifuna ama-sponsors ukuthi uzali izosenzela le nto. Sizenzele thina ngenhliziyo yethu nokuthanda kwabazalwane. So ngoba sibathanda ogogo bethu, yabona, sizofika isikhathi la sifuna khona i-donation, sizoba khona isikhathi. Kodwa-ke kwamanje thina abazalwane nonke into engenze le nto ukuthi ibe successful, akunaletho esiyibhalile sayisa uhulumeni ukuthi sizalwa bogogo bethu. No, sizenzele thina as believers in Christ bazalwane. And the total amount esiyiraisile for this event, total yonke ihamba ku-42,000 in total. Masibala bonke ama-branch wonke siwacela 42,000 mazoyiqedisha izandla.
Selflessness, bro. Guys, let me tell you, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't care how you see or you view money. I don't care. At the end of the day, money is needed for things to move. Uthi wenza kanjani, you see money evil, this, that, I don't care. I don't care, bro. At the end of the day, money is money. You need money to move things, right? See again, lento Nkosi kubusise all the time, guys. Come on, man. Sometimes we need money. Place that, give it. Understand? If you have it, give it. If it's more than enough, give it. If I pull it down, you give it. Same thing, Nyemba. You just give it. If it does not break anything, you give it. You just go out there and be like, yo, this is what I have, this is what I got, me. Done and dusted. Awuhluphulanga mntwana, awulimazanga muntu, just giving. That's it.
If you can raise such a money to help people, it's okay. It's okay. Sikwazi ukuphakamisa imali ngakuthi sisize abanye abantu.
That's all we say, bro.
Asikho isidingo sokuthi hey yaba yaningi kangako. We are doing ukusiza abanye abantu. It's okay. Yabona ama-blessings wathola kanjalo. Ngizokudlulisa nje lokho. This is the purpose of the day. Sizobonga ke bonke abazalwane abadlala indima ukuthi le nto ibe successful. Bonke abazalwane basalayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Keep up the good work. The idea is we will do this every year. That's the idea. Ukuthi siyenze njalo unyaka mosozophela senze lenkonzo le. Yikho ngithi kimi kuma iba nama reflection ngoba ngesikhathi la kuthiwa kunani eksendlini siye enkonzweni sibuye namakhabishi konke sidle endlini. I'm an example of that. So ungayithatha kancane wena la kodwa khona ugogo azofika siza abazukulu ngayo. So ibale ngalondlela le ukuthi asiqhubekeni siyenze into enhle, si-encourage, si-support, i-negativity siyikhiphe out.
Sure.
Ukubalisa nje ukuthi wo kuningi sikhipha la.
Uma lapho.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Uze bandleni, just do it. Uzobona uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa. Ilapho yami inkonzo. Thank you so much. Angazi ukuthi ngathini udlula lokho. All leaders ababe involved for this project. It was not easy, because
the thing is, why this, ne? You know, blessed are those that give without asking and without having any intentions, bad intentions, obviously. And blessed are those who are always around and in his space, like Pastor Chris. I really look up to this man. You understand? Spending time and listening to the way this man speaks, the level of intelligence he has is crazy, bro. It is crazy. Understand? I mean, I overheard them speaking as abafundisi uye ulentuzana Pastor Mbatha no Mamtun. Ngibazwe radio speaking about this, and I was like, really? Can I go to YouTube and look for it? Didn't find it. I go Facebook. Man, I go Facebook. I found it. I was like, damn. I was intrigued, bro. I was like, yo. I understand, and he doesn't know. honestly. Pastor Chris doesn't even know. You're shocked in Amagaibon, right? You're shocked in Amagaibon. He doesn't know. I feel like we need more people of his stature, people with this type of mentality. Just not him. Nomfundisi naye enimbonile naye ngizomuthi va va. But I do encourage you to go and watch the whole thing. The whole thing, Pastor Chris, I think it was like 15 minutes. I just took like 5 minutes and I was like, Twee. And yeah, and then the rest again, it was just, then I was like, you know what? I like this part and this part. I'm just gonna use this part and this part. That's why English can say it's not something that I would normally do. But because we are Christmas, need you to understand, right? Go to giving is at home. Start there first. Church can be a home. Guinea can be a home. Don't be too fixated on what's out there. Go to Kaya or Pang. That's just crazy, bro.
2 weeks to prepare for this. 2 weeks. Sibuye emingcwabeni ngapha. It was not easy, but ubuholi bahlangana ba. They just duty. Kuncane bazali kufanele sifunde ngomnikelo, kufanele sifunde ngayo yonke into yenkonzo. Ngempela ngaba sisokole njengoba sibaningi kangaka. Ukube siyazi mangabe kukhulunywa ngomnikelo kukhulunywa ngani? Mangabe kukhulunywa ngento yebandla noba imali yebandla kukhulunywa ngani? Mangabe ngathi kufanele kube umholi nje owenza zonke izinto njani. Kodwa kufuneka ukuqala senzeni sifundiseke. Angeke sisokole bazali. But siyasokola because kulabanye abantu bavele bathule nje ubone uNkulunkulu wabo. So lo muntu uyazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Ake sike emnikelweni ngabambeleni kakhulu. Asiye emnikelweni ngenza inkonzo yomnikelo. Ngicela mama nje ungifundele Baba seKorinte abesibili. Yes.
You see, 2 Corinthians. I didn't keep
Baba seKorinte abesibili. Yes. Ibandla lethu bazalwane ukuze liqhubeke njengoba libona nje. Liyayidinga imali. Ayikazi bazalwane. Ibandla lethu.
Right. It's the same thing I was just saying not long ago. It's like I don't care how you look at it. You need money. Like, guys, look. In order for things to move, you need money. The whole point of this is that there's this stigma about not talking about money. Guys, financial literacy is very important. And I wish it could be something that gets emphasized as Kulu, the importance of budgeting, of saving, of tithing, of planning. Understand? Money expenditure. There is a there's a segment with Eyega Yenzo Ngoni FM. Useche u pastor a superstar leader Ubabongan Makubo. Yes. You know, he said don't be reckless, but he said, yes, you live once, but what if you live long? The decision that you take right now, Sasana Manch, can affect how you see life going forward. Understand? Let him finish. Because man.
Kodwa ukuthi mangabe lifuna ukwazi izinto ziningi izinto ezenziwa emandleni lethu. Kufanele kube khona imali.
Thank you. That's all I'm saying. Money. We as abantu baseZion, we need to stop viewing, guys, money is an asset, right? Money is an asset. What I've learned is that money is an asset. There are things that money can do, but if you're not well equipped and educated about how to use money, it becomes a problem. There are so many things, guys, that could work at your advantage when you understand how money works. Right? The value is not the money itself, but the value is what you put in to get that money. Because without the value, there wouldn't be money. So that value is being measured by the money. You understand? If you could understand how banks works, if you could trust me, there are many people who are abusing the system of banking because they understand how money works. But angeke masizama educator oh imali again. No, it's not about that. I'm not saying give me your money, but I'm saying ukuthi look at, let me think Christianity, right? And people look at Jews, look at Muslims, look at Indian people, especially if you are Soweto. You can go to Lens, you can go to Kimbla Park, you can go to Monjo, you can go to what's this place? Ridgeway. Look at how smart those people are. Those people don't even depend on the government because why? They understood the power of coming together and using money. When there's enough money, there's enough sustainability. Says Kulmanangan selling. It be the same people abasekazi who are buying from them. Right? All the system that we do. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm saying we are just not well informed about money. Right? So we need that's why I pray and I hope that Zion will have more of these things. We should have services. That's why Cine engage in life because we want to educate you guys about money, budgeting, and understanding what money expenses. Fixed expenses. There's this word. Ubab Makuba isebenzisile. I forgot it. Uh, unviable something. Expenses that don't expenses that are not fixed, like entertainment, data, fast food, petrol, you know, toiletry. There are certain things within that space. Yes, and guys, if I could continue, the bottom line is this: is that we need more of this. We need more information. It is about time we take Uzayoni and put Uzayoni on a bigger pedestal and show people that Uzayoni is a serious, not just as Ibandla Pela, but also as a constitution, not just as a religion, because there's more to there than just what people will see on the outside. Now, it is up to us to take that and run with it. It won't be nice. You see one church is prospering, they have money, they have all of their things are self sufficient because there's enough, and then you look at other people and then go like, yo, you understand? There's a lot, bro. There's a lot. And one typical example I always use is UZTC, bro. UZTC, everything that they're doing, it's the congregation itself. You want to buy something, you buy from umuntu wasebandleni. Because why? The money is circulating here. The important thing is for money to make value here before it goes out. Right? They do that. You want food, you thenga laphaya. When they have events, trust me, when ZCC has events, go there. But anyway, Thanksgiving, that it's all about Thanksgiving. I'm just so sorry because I got carried away by financial literacy. I just feel like it's very important, and But guys, Thanksgiving, it's time for Thanksgiving. Let's give thanks, not just thanks to God only. Ukuthi masoceda ukubonga umdali, bonga everything that is around you. Thank your parents. Thank your if you do have parents, thank your parents. If you have siblings, thank them as well. Just give thanks. Allah kala before you go out there. So, yo, I am signing out, but after this, there's more clips. Just watch. As ngifakela nokugwaba lapho nalapha, but just look at what believers did, and that alone. I always say the name of the church and what they do will always reveal itself. Always. So, yo, my favorite word of who, Mr. Chupikon Sagalan. I'm signing out. Adios.
Tina, sinje, sinje na